Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. So I haven't put up anything for a week or so. Last thing we covered was the quarter scale Super Cub. Quite have to excuse me, guys, I'm feeling the season at the moment. Been looking for a few details for this. Got to do a couple of bits to get this flying. Not a great deal, just cover a couple of little holes in the towel, but anyway, we managed to get it up into the hangar. We've had to rearrange quite a bit to get it up there. Move a lot about. So anyway, guys, got a new little addition. So let's get the box open. Well, guys, it's my first little attempt there at stop motion. Couldn't resist, really. So I've gone and got hold of these quarter scale Star Wars figures, sort of for the idea of a quarter scale pilot to sort of complement my quarter scale Super Cub. I've been looking for quarter scale pilots, but a lot of them have got to be made up, and even though they're obviously really highly detailed and lovely to have, they're expensive. So I thought I'd sort of just take a little easier route. So we got these chaps. Now, may well just probably use some of them just to complement the model in photographs, or break the figures down or a figure down and use the head and then make up the clothing just to save the weight in the aircraft, because they're a little bit weighty. The plane will carry them, but not on the power, not on the power and the batteries that I'm running it on. So, but I think this chap here, you have to excuse me, I don't really know all the names of the Star Wars characters, Poe Cameron or something like that. So he looks sort of the most ideal to sort of give a paint, change the colours, make him look a little bit more military rather than space age. We've got I think that's a snow trooper, something like that. He'll go on the shelf, and I'll probably do some weathering on that and make a little video of doing some sort of weathering. And this chap here seems to be well sought after. So this is our scout trooper. Obviously a lot of people are remembering being on the hover bike in the woods, or the speeder bike. So to give you an idea of the size of these guys, we'll stick with the scout trooper. So they're sort of as close I could get, just something else to mess about with. Well, I've had a bit of a change round in the hangar, guys. I've managed to fit everything in. Now, I did have another quarter scale model that sort of would have been coming to the hangar soon, but I'm sort of reconsidering for the moment till we can make some more space, and I'll wait until I get that, and then obviously everybody will see what that's going to be. The Catalina that we've been working on, it's just on pause for the minute. I need to get a nose retract, because the one that I was working on, I had a few electrical faults with it, so just need to get a new one of them, and then the Catalina will be back in operation. Everything's everything's pretty much together there. It's just literally needs the nose retract and then the fuselage putting back together, and that'll all be working. I've got the go-to America up there because that's my go-to, so we've got that to hand. And we've got another, well, not cub but a grasshopper. Yes, I spent a bit of time doing a whole detailed engine on that one. That's obviously the one with the moving pilot, but anyway, back to the big quarter scale. So I've actually found some pictures of the real 1/1 scale cub that this is representing in this colour scheme. I'll put some pictures up. One main thing I have noticed is probably going to make some scale shock covers just to fill that out, and we're going to make a scale exhaust that drops down and runs underneath, the same as the real one. So I've got a picture of that here. And I was really impressed with the interior in this. There is a hell of a lot of space in here. And we've got a few plans as well. We're going to do a really nice detailed instrument panel, all fully working. Got a little project that's going to come up in a video which will relate to that, which people will be able to use for their own purposes. So we're going to make some proper digital avionics, and we're just hunting about at the moment for a few accessories to go inside there, but it's quite difficult, like I say, to find quarter scale stuff. We're going to have the full 5-point hanging harnesses that drop down to the seats. I've already sourced all of the bits and bobs for that, so I've already got all of the buckles and things like that, and all the little latches and stuff to make the harnesses up. It's just getting round to doing that. But like I say, it's all pretty much ready to go. The only thing that we do need to do is we need to rehinge the tailplane, rehinge the rudder, and we're going to repair. There's a hole here which we're going to repair. Nothing major. We'll make a nice repair on that, and it'll be pretty much ready to go. So at the moment it has got a lighting system in it because it was going to be intended to be used as a night flyer. Yeah, so hence all of the lighting strips. I believe Chris was planning on using this at the Southern Model Show, or a couple of the shows that he was going to. That's who I've acquired the model off of. So we're pretty much all ready to go, guys. Like I say, just a couple of little tweaks, little few bits to do, no more than sort of a few hours work really. Well, on the main bits to get it flying, and the scale details we'll take our time with, and we'll obviously update on that. I'm going to go and get a Beechwood Zor prop as well, just to give it a nice scale effect. So there we go, guys.